a full range of residential and commercial EV charging solutions. Commercial EV charging solutions. T2S Socket AC Charger, wall-mounted DC charger, and dual-socket AC charger. The monitoring device offers a system that can monitor chargers, simultaneously and intelligently distribute current according to the station. Floor stand DC fast EV charging station supports 3 connectors for options: CCS1, CCS2, chargeable, AC connector. Self-developed OCPP EV SaaS platform allows you to track, manage, and optimize your EV charging business. Payments and billing made easy. Home EV Charging Solutions. The portable EV charger is a convenient, portable, and plug-and-play way to power your electric car. Colorful EV chargers for colorful home. Tethered cable and socket versions support food protection and many features including DLB, PEN, OCPP, Smart App, Z-Box app for home smart charging. The dynamic load balancing function avoids the overload between your EV charger and other home appliances. With the power of home appliances increasing, less power will be distributed to the EV charger. The DLB box is required to activate the dynamic balancing function. With the power of home appliances decreasing, more power will be distributed to the EV charger. And the Solar DLB Box extends EV charger's compatibility with Solar Home. Three charging modes available: full speed mode, pure PV mode, and hybrid mode. Build your smart electric vehicle charging business.